Hello, my dear students of class ninth. This is me, Anish Moses from US Academy and Institute Gorakhpur. And today I'll be starting the second chapter, and the name of the chapter is Adventures of Toto. Now, first, I'll be explaining you the whole story with a summary type explanation will be told to you, and after that, I'll be going on with the detailed explanation. Also, I'll be telling you how you can do your question answers which are given in the textbook and what all things you have to do. So these are the question answers which are given in the textbook. You can download it from the NCERT official website. So over here in this chapter, we will be finding out that first we must know that this chapter is written by Ruskin Bond, and he is just giving one of his explanation of when he was in childhood stage and how his grandfather bought a monkey and the name of the monkey was Toto, and that baby monkey was very sweet. That's why this grandfather bought this monkey, and after buying this monkey he suffered a lot, how he just troubled them, how he was penalized at the station, how his grandmother, how grandfather's wife, grandmother of Ruskin Bond, how she was troubled with this monkey. These all things will be told to you in the story. Also, how that monkey, that Toto, how he troubled other animals also in the house. So these all things will be described to you in this chapter, and also in the last, how did grandfather went back to return this Toto back to the Tonga driver from whom he have bought it. So that is the last line. So you can see this last line. Grandfather found that Tonga driver and sold Toto back to him for only 3 rupees. So these all things will be coming around in this story, in this chapter. So that detail we will be studying in this. The PDF as well as the question answers and the summary of the chapter will be provided to you in the school website. You can easily get it. Also, I'll be providing you in my description box this link, so you can easily download it as well. So in this chapter, we'll be studying about this Toto. Toto is the name of a monkey. So starting in this, one very nice line is written, have you ever had a baby monkey as a pet? It is very difficult to tame a monkey. You must be knowing those students are having pet at their home. It is very difficult to tame them up. But slowly, gradually, they are being trained and they just fully develop to stay in the family. But for a monkey, it is very, very difficult to tame that monkey. So that is what his grandfather, Ruskin Bond's grandfather, did. His grandfather bought Toto from a Tonga driver for the sum of 5 rupees. For the sum of 5 rupees, his grandfather bought a monkey, and the name of that monkey was Toto. And because his grandfather was very fascinated, he was very attracted towards animals, so he had a small type of private zoo. He had a zoo at his home as well. He was having many other animals. You'll be studying details in this chapter, and various other animals were there in his house. And because lots and lots of animals were there, he just thought to buy this one more animal, and that was a monkey. So he just bought that monkey because that monkey was very beautiful. He was looking like a red color. His hands were very dried. His teeth were very long, and it totally just displayed a very beautiful creature. That creature was very attractive. That's why this grandfather bought this monkey. And as he bought it, he brought that Toto at home. And because he was very scared, his grandfather was very scared of his grandmother. He just thought that grandmother will scold him for buying this monkey. So that was the thing. So he just thought that he will not tell these all things, that he have bought a monkey, to his wife, and he will hide that in his bedroom, and he will tie that monkey to a hook that was in his room inside an almirah. So that is what the thing. And he just tied that monkey with that hook when he brought him at home, and he just went for some work outside. And while he returned after few hours, what did he found? That he found that the wallpapers of that room was torn up. The bricks were just seen because the paint, because that wallpaper was being removed. All these books were shed down on the ground, clothes were thrown here and there. So it was a mess that was created by that monkey. And when grandfather as well as Ruskin Bond entered that room, they were very amazed to find these all things. And this Ruskin Bond was very scared that when grandmother will see these all things, she will definitely scold all of us. But at the meantime, grandfather was very happy with the activity that monkey have done, and he just exclaims, he just says that it is very nice that he have done. If some more time he would have definitely made a rope out of your clothes, and he would have escaped out of windows. So these all things, grandfather found a very positivity in that monkey, seeing these all mess even. So that was the thing. Slowly, gradually, the time passed. They just thought him to keep it in a cage, but over there also he used to disturb various other animals. He used to disturb rabbit, he used to disturb squirrels and small goats. So he was creating a mess with between each and every animals too. So one day, grandfather have to go to from Dehradun he have to go to Saharanpur to take his pension, and he have to travel with train. So he just thought that if Toto will be kept here, definitely grandmother will come to know, and he will get a scolding, and also Toto will create a huge mess over there. So that's why he just took Toto along with him. He just kept him inside a black bag, canvas bag, and he just chained him up. So after carrying him while he was in the train, because Toto was a monkey, he used to jump here and there inside the bag even, and the passengers who were inside the train, they also were very amazed to see that bag jumping. While grandfather reached Saharanpur station, over there also he just found that he kept the bag on the ground, that bag started to jump because inside that bag Toto was there. So it was a great amusement for the other co-passengers who were just traveling and who were at the station at that time. So while he reached at Saharanpur, while he was crossing the barrier or the gate, you must have seen that TT, the ticket collector, the ticket checker used to stand at the gate, and they used to check the tickets. So while he was showing his ticket, while grandfather was showing his ticket to that ticket collector at the gate, what happened was that Toto put his head outside of the bag, and he just started seeing everyone around. So seeing this, the TT also got very much amazed, and he was very much astonished to see this monkey. And he became very much astonished, and while he was astonished, he just asked his grandfather that why you are carrying this dog with you, and this dog will also cost you. You have to give penalty for carrying this dog. So in that case, this grandfather also said that he is not a dog, he is a monkey. So in that case, ticket collector also said that it's not an any issue. I just want the penalty, and the penalty is 3 rupees. You have to give it. So grandfather just took out a tortoise also from his pocket, and now the grandfather also says that is he going to charge for this small tortoise also. So in that case, ticket collector says that no, for this dog only the charges will be, and that is for 3 rupees. So over here we find out that grandfather was again suffering. So you can see over here in this photograph also, the ticket collector is checking the ticket. It is the Saharanpur station, and see grandfather is standing, and the ticket collector is now checking the ticket. And over there, this old man, you can see the grandfather is having a black color bag which he have hung at his shoulders, and a monkey, you can see that over here, this is the monkey which is just peeping around, and that's why this ticket collector is asking for the amount. So for that, grandfather have to pay sum of 3 rupees again to this ticket collector. So this incident also was very bad, because grandfather have to give a sum of an amount. It also cost him up. So now after that, what happened was after some day later, what happened was, because Toto was very mischievous, so grandfather thought him, and grandmother also came to know about this information that grandfather is having a monkey. So grandfather thought him to keep him separate with another animals, and so he just took him to a side, to a stable where he was kept with a donkey, and the name of the donkey was Nana. So that Toto was kept with the donkey, But the thing was, Toto um, disturbed that monkey. Sorry, that Toto disturbed that donkey also. Nana, he used to disturb. He used to slap him. He used to hound him. He used to drag him. He used to jump and sit over him. So these are type of problem he used to create to that Nana also. So Nana also became very fed up, and he was never able to have friendship with that monkey. So seeing this, grandfather was again in a great dilemma, in a great trouble, that why he is doing such type of thing. He is not able to tame that monkey properly. So these all things came in the mind of grandfather. One more incident took place in a cold winter when grandmother was going to give bath to this Toto, and he kept one of the bowl at the oven, sorry, at the stove, so that it can be that water can be heated. So the flame was full, and what happened was, Toto came over there. He just found that he just put one of his finger inside that bowl to see that how much water have boiled, and seeing that yes, water is that much, he can just sit inside that water. So with a flame on the stove, that Toto went inside that bowl and sat. But the thing was from under it was being flamed. The flame was burning, so the water started to boil. And as the water started to boil, Toto went up and again down. So this type of thing was being carried, but his mischief never stopped. And while at that meantime, only grandmother entered, and he just saw that on the flame only Toto is sitting on the bowl of water. So that was also a great mischief which was being discussed. His life was saved at that day. So that all things came. And one more incident happened was when they were sitting for dinner table. Means when they were sitting for dinner, grandmother have cooked pulao on that day, but unfortunately Toto jumps on the table. He throws pulao. He breaks many of the utensils. So these all things happen, and grandmother and this time grandfather also were very much fed up with this monkey now. And now these many things of these many troubles were made every day. Losses were made, foods were thrown, fruits were thrown, plates were broken. So these all things made the grandfather also to be fed up. And now when grandfather was fed up, now he no more wants to keep this monkey along with him. Now he was very much fed up, also his grandmother and Ruskin Bond too. So now at this time, grandfather now thought to find back again, or to find that Tonga driver again, and to go to Tonga driver to give that monkey back to that Tonga driver. So he started to search the Tonga driver, and fortunately one day he found the Tonga driver, and he just sold that monkey, that sold that Toto back to that Tonga driver for the sum of 3 rupees, for the loss of 2 rupees. Previously he bought it for the sum of 5 rupees, and now he is selling it for the 3 rupees even. So it was the loss of that grandfather. So this was the chapter which we have studied just now. And so these all things are very important, that for how much sum of money he bought it and how much sum of money he sold it. Also some of the incidents are very important. First incidents that took place when he was kept inside the almara, he just scratched all the wallpapers. These all things were being done by Toto. So first incidence is this. Second is he used to trouble all these he used to trouble all these rabbits and these birds when he was kept in the cage. That was a great. And also when he was kept with Nana over there, also he used to trouble. He was not liked by the TT also, because at the Saharanpur station. So these all things, grandmother also caught him one day sitting inside the bowl of water. He threw the pulao plate and broke many of the wood utensils. So he troubled Nana. So these many things were a great misery for all these people who were staying in that house. So that's why they just now thought to give him back. And that's why again that grandfather found that Tonga driver, and he just returned that Toto back to him for the sum of 3 rupees. So these are things are very very important while you are reading this chapter. and so these are two word meanings, and moreover at least 5 words, you have to find it out, difficult words from these all section you have to find it out and write by yourself, and at least 5 word meaning have to be written. And apart from that, these question answers are there, 5 question answers are also there. That how does Toto come to grandfather's private zoo? How did grandfather, you have to enter the amount from whom he bought it. So these all details you have to write. Toto was a pretty monkey. In what scene is Toto pretty? Means you have to write the physical appearance of the Toto that was given in the starting paragraph. Why does grandfather take Toto to Saharanpur, and how does the ticket collector insist in calling Toto a dog? Yes, that too I also have told you while I was explaining you this chapter. How does Toto take a bath? Where has he learned to do things? To do this, how does Toto almost boil himself alive? Yes, that is very important question from this chapter. That how he have boiled himself alive, and from whom he have seen. You must have known that monkey always resemble whatever action they are seeing. So he have seen grandfather checking the water by putting his finger, and after that sitting in the bathtub. So same thing he just followed with him also. So these all things are very important. Question number 5. Why does the author say Toto was not the sort of pet we could keep for a long? Yes, why at the last Toto was not liked by anyone in the family, and why they wanted to return it back? Why? What was the reason? See, also these all reasons you have to write in the copy. So these are the assignments which you have to do. I'll be providing you this PDF format as well as the notes also. I'll be providing you to the school website. You can easily get it. So these are activities you have to do. So please do read this chapter, and if you have any problem, do comment on my YouTube so that I can explain you over there. And also, if any question you are having doubt, you must tell me that too, so that I may resolve your issues. Please do read this chapter once before attempting any of the question answer. This chapter is most important one because questions are being asked from this chapter. First read this chapter thoroughly, and after reading this chapter only go on attempting for the question answers. First you have to write the chapter name, narrator name, then you have to write the word meaning, and then you have to go on writing the question answers. Summary as well as the question answers both I will be providing you in my PDF in the school website. You can easily get. So these all things you have to do. So please do these all things. If any problem, you can ask me on YouTube. And do study hard. It is very crucial time for your studies. Do study. If any problem, do ask me. We are always there to help you out. Please do share my videos to all the students who are not able to get my videos. Please do share my videos to them so that they are not debarred from their education. And please do stay safe at your homes, and take lots and lots of care of you, yourself and your family. So goodbye from this side.